Hey guys, it's Bella. Today we're going to make some fluffy slime. So to make fluffy slime, you're going to need, let me just move the chair. Let me standing for this. You're going to need 1 cup of hot water, and a measuring cup, of course. You need 2 bowls, a spatula for mixing. You need your glue, of course. You need some shaving foam, and you need, well, a tablespoon measuring spoon, of course. That's the only measurement you're going to need. And you need some glitter or food coloring, which I'm not going to add. So we're going to add glitter. So the first thing we're going to do is make our borax mixture, which I already made, is borax powder. 1 tablespoon of borax powder into 1 cup of hot water and just stir it together. And there it is. Here it is. We don't do something with that yet. So sorry guys, that was just my cat. She's being crazy. I don't know what's happening. We put in our glue. Put in our glue into one of our mixing bowls. And yeah, like a small bottle of this won't make a lot of slime, because I'm not planning on making a lot, so I'm not using a lot of glue like I usually would. I would use one of the big sizes, which I don't have to show you guys because I threw my bottle away. Which I know glue in it. Now that we have our glue in, just put a little bit of shaving cream in it, foam. Don't put a lot. Let's just pour, hold on guys. Water real quick. Let's just put in our borax mixture into this bowl right here. Excuse me, sorry guys. Hold on, my cat's in the way. Let me move her. Alright guys, sorry guys, my cat was in the way. I don't know what happened. So you put in 4 cups, up to 4 cups of shaving. This is not working like I planned. Sorry, this is going to be really loud. Use as much as I can. That's like not even a cup. But hold on, let me empty this and I'll be right back. Alright guys, now that we have all of our shaving foam all in there, we're going to mix it into our glue. You just use your spatula or use your mixing spoon or your tool. The tool that you're going to use to mix, to put that in there. Alright, now that it's all done, now you mix together until it turns light and fluffy. Makes it look like marshmallow fluff is what we want. And now it's the time to add your coloring or your glitter, which I'm adding glitter. Add that much gold and mix it together. It's going to be so nice and pretty. It's going to be really pretty. Yeah. You could add more glitter later on or add more color later on, whatever you want. So, we're mixing this together until this is well combined. See, it's fluffy. So we're mixing this together. Alright, so you can add as much glitter as you want. So that's what I'm doing. Okay. That's enough. We can add more later. That's what I'm going to do. This is actually a lot of glitter, just letting you know. It's ultra fine. So it's good. This is actually really good. This is actually looking pretty cute. Getting nice and fluffy. Alright. The last bit of glitter I'll be adding. Let's add a little bit more. That's all the bottle, so we just fold this in, fold it into our slime. Do not mix it. Well, you can do both, which I'm doing both. Here it is. Here's my mixture. It looks nice and pretty. Now it's time to activate it. Let me just wash out my measuring cup because I have to put it in the measuring cup. Alright guys, so now that we have my my measuring cup all cleaned out, we can pour in our activator again. And it's time to activate. So we're going to add a little bit at a time, like that much. Then mix it together. By the way, I'm using the borax method of activating. You can use liquid starch. You can use the liquid starch method, or you can use actually face masks and toothpaste. A face mask and toothpaste could also be a good activator. You don't want to use borax because people think it's bad, but as long as you don't get it in your eyes, it's not bad. So, you can also use contact lens solution as well. Instead of using the whole borax method, you can use contact lens solution. Okay, looks like it's coming. It is coming together, so you can tell. Ooh, it's really fluffy. Oh, this is actually turning really nice. And let's just clean this and make it. Now it's time to knead. So put our spatula aside and add in, knead with one hand and add your activator with the other hand. It's a lot of activator, but it'll work. And now just keep kneading and kneading and kneading until it comes together. Until it comes together, until it's all nice and fluffy and really good. Hopefully I didn't make this wrong. If I did, I'm terribly sorry. So hopefully I didn't screw it up. I think I probably did, but if you want your slime, here's a tip. If you want your slime softer, add lotion. Yeah, lotion would do the trick as well. I've made glitter slime before, but I'm gonna make it again. Hopefully I didn't screw it up. I probably did, but it's okay. Doesn't it look so pretty? It's a little not stretchy, but that's okay. We're gonna knead it together. You can't fix it if you add too much activator. You can't fix it. Or maybe you can. There is some glue, so hopefully a little bit of glue can help. Tip: if you don't like the way your slime turned out, you can, if you overactivated it a little bit, use a little bit. If you have glue left in your bottle, use the glue left in your bottle. This will work, just like this did for me. This is really nice. It's not like the ASMR people on Instagram. Theirs is way better than this, but can't really stretch it. But wow, only a little bottle of glue can make a big amount of slime. Never knew that. Let's see if I can add more of this stuff in there too. Let's see, adding a little bit more of the extra ingredients is not going to ruin it. It could help you. Just like it helped me right now. It's helping me getting my slime all nice. So, even though I did get some shaving cream on my floor, that's fine. I'll clean it up after this video. How much time are we in? So, 9 minutes. Okay. It'll take me long to make slime. Wow, this is pretty good. Actually pretty good, not gonna lie. all of the extra fine glitters. Makes it look amazing. Let me just, hold on, let me do something. Hold on guys, I'm cleaning up something. Some stuff on my floor. Alright guys, that's all we have for you guys today. Make sure to like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. And also make sure to turn on the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And, what else was I to say? Make sure to also comment down below what else you want to see. And if you want to see more slime, comment down below the word slime and I will make more slime. Alright guys, I'll see you guys next time.